Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable pinch to zoom conversation text on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. So first, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Next, we're going to tap on the text messages app, and in here, go and tap on the option button at the top. From the pop-up menu, select Settings. In Settings, tap on Pinch to Zoom Conversation Text. So tap on that switch to turn it on or off. So if we switch it off, and I go back to my text here, if I try to pinch, you can see it will not zoom in or zoom out on the text conversation. And if I go back in here and turn it on, you can see that now I can pinch in or pinch out to increase or decrease the text size in this conversation. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.